folks, welcome back to another lesson. This one is courtesy of Robert O'Rourke, who asked for this over at Patreon. Thanks indeed for suggesting this one, Robert. I've been meaning to do this one for a while, and your request was all the encouragement I needed. Now, standard tuning, and I'm using one of the new Walrus Audio fundamental pedals for this, the distortion. Get all that right? Because it's quite a dirty distortion, right? It's not particularly tight or chuggy, right? You know, which this distortion type isn't. So, and pretty much like everything in the middle, it's there, right? So get yourself a distortion pedal. If you've got a fuzz pedal as well, that will get you in the ballpark, anything like that. First up, we have the intro / verse. That is it, right? And you repeat that around. So you have an E power chord for the first beat. Then you have a natural harmonic on the 4th fret, okay? So you're going to hover your finger. I use my little one. You could use your 3rd if that's comfier. So you want that to be ringing out nicely. So it's 4040. And you could go back to playing the full power chord in between, or just single notes. To be honest, if you want to simplify it, you could just do the single notes. So you just play... And then as you get a bit more comfortable with that, chuck in the E power chord, right? And on the 4th beat, you're going to bend the 3rd fret like a quarter step. But the A string is going to get muted when you strike that. But you want to catch the open D as well if you can. Versus, which would just be the single string, okay? So, that again slowly. 3, 4... And then the 4th time, you're going to do this. So there, I've just gone to the 5th fret. And again, I'm using my little finger, but, you know, use whichever you feel comfortable with. And then we're going 5 on the D, 5 on the A, 5 on the D. And that's it. So the whole thing slowly would be 3, 4. And back around, okay? And that's it. So that's the main riff done. The second riff, sort of chorus riff, goes like this. And around twice, okay? Second time it comes in, I think it plays it 4 times just before the solo, so that's the only difference there. So we have E power chord with this rhythm. Down, 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 down. Then we go F sharp to G. Back to E. So down, 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 down. B flat. Same rhythm as the first bar. Down, 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 down. And then, which is B flat, A. Okay, down, down, down. Then a little nod to the verse riff. So that's it. Slowly. 3, 4. Round round the verse again, round the chorus again, but you play it 4 times, as I said before. Then we go into the solo part, right? And there's a definite sort of pattern that Lane plays behind Mike. And so it would come in like this. I'll go for the last time round the chorus. So there's a subtle difference there in that you play 3 times round of this. 4th time you play. And into the next time round. That whole bit loops around twice. And then you come out of the solo with this last part. So the very last 3 bars would be... and back into the main riff. So what do we have there? We have an open D, 1st fret bent up a 1/4 step, and then down, down, down. So you get that double hit of it there, right? So the 4th bar is... and then, you know, you're starting the pattern again, right? Like that. And then the very last bar, as I say, goes... and you're back into the main riff. Not much to talk about over the solo. Get yourself a wah pedal, and Mike's playing... he's basically playing an E minor pentatonic. Like that, or up at the 12th fret there, right? But he's just playing wah and... you know, just very basic stuff like that. In fact, I think one of the riffs is... another one he plays is... then he moves position and goes up here to the 10th fret. And that basically are all the parts you need. There's another solo at the end, but it's the same sort of stuff. So I hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon. Cheers.